Hey fam, it is your boy, Supernatural Coach Raneir Pollard, and I am here with a 10-minute glute activating workout. No equipment necessary, but you can use a booty band if you want to. Let's come on in and enjoy ourselves. Come on. Let's start right away pulling one knee into chest. We're really just focusing on thrusting up that hip. I want you to really focus on time under tension. This is not a cardio workout. We are trying to activate some muscles here. So let's take it slow and see how high we can get the hip and how slow we can take it down low. Just a couple more repetitions here. There's gonna be no break between the sides. I just want you to switch those legs and continue pushing on through. Now, when it comes to driving into the glute bridge, I do want you to focus mostly on pushing through your heel, but if you can keep that big toe down as well, I want you to do so, pushing through as much of that foot as possible, although we are staying heel dominant. Let's get our last few repetitions here before going to that first side and pulsing the hips in the air. We're gonna focus in on keeping the hips nice and high. Let's get the first bout. Go. Now, I'm gonna keep the leg nice and long. Leilani, we're in that glute bridge, going advance, you better get it. Poofy is right there giving you some modifications. You see that knee is bent. Do what you need to do and feel it boo. 3 seconds. Ease it down low. We're only gonna take a 10-second break. Go right back onto this first leg. We're gonna take a good deep breath, raise that leg up high and push into it. Now, hands being removed from the side of your body will up the ante a little bit more, so feel free to do so. Ooh, I'm also trying to drive in my navel because the more you get support through this core, the more the legs are gonna be able to last through the work. Now from here, I want you to dip the leg, bring it back up and down to the floor. Now if you need a little bit of rest, you can bring this toe down to the ground as well, but I say keep it up towards the sky so we can get in more repetitions. And again, you can keep those hands at your side, getting more of that base of support. As we get that leg lift, I do want you to keep that hip in the air, but if you need to let the glute touch the flow, I'm not mad at you. Just a few more. Come on. Ooh.
I'm feeling
that burn. Okay, yes. There you're in. You better say hello to that booty.
Hey.
Last one here.
My favorite muscle group.
I know that's right. Rest.
Ooh.
Bring it down now. All right, let's take that burn right over to the other side. Leg up to the sky and push the hips up high. Pulse it through. Come on. Ooh. Again, I have my weight balanced in the middle of my foot, even though I'm trying to get a little bit more drive through my heel. I can always take away that base of support, putting my hands to the side of my head or even up towards the sky. Rest. We got one more just like that. You already been through it on the first side. You know what you're getting into. It's just time to enjoy the challenge. Ready, repeat. Push it high. Ooh, nice deep filling breaths. Really focused in on keeping some good core engagement as well. I always say, when you keep that core tight, everything else is able to work even harder. Let's get into those leg lift reps. Forward, up, down, and back high. Ooh.
Those are sneaky.
Yes.
I know, and what's wild is you can't expect both legs to work exactly the same because
So true.
my other leg was not burning this bad.
Yes.
Just this few repetitions in.
I feel seen and felt.
That's the thing. That we want to let your whole body feel seen and felt today. So it's not about getting in here to judge what's feeling weak, yada, yada, yada. We're here to just say, hey, I'm doing something about it. How about that?
Okay.
Let's get a couple more reps in. Woo! Last one here. Feel it.
Yes.
And ease it down.
Ooh.
Now from there, we're gonna get into some external rotation. The same deal, you can start with that knee bent, hips up, open out to the side, back into the center, and back down. Or you can keep that leg straight up to the sky, and that'll be a little bit harder. What I love is as you take this leg out to the side, you're getting a little bit of inner thigh, but you're also pushing more of that weight towards the outside of this glute, getting some glute meat in there. That's that shelf of the booty. So keep doing what you're doing. But on these, I do like to keep my hands to the side so I'm really able to get into that rotation as I open up that leg. We're more than halfway there. No need to rush, just one at a time. Reach it out and keep those hips up high when that leg is moving out to the side. Don't let it dip. Let's get one more here before we get a little 10-second break and move it on over to the other side. Ooh wee. Ease it down low and let's switch it right on out. Deep breath and let's get it high. Ooh, hey.
That band
I'm trying to play
working.
footsie with you. Yeah. Just reach out and touch your back. Taking your time. Ooh. Staying connected to your breath. That's why I love exercise. It's really about just connecting to yourself, right? You come in it, feeling like I want to get stronger. I want to get more control over this body. But really, once you're here, you're like, it's just nice that I'm giving myself a little time to hang out with me.
Yeah.
Okay? Get in touch with myself. I got to be my own best friend in this world. Let's be real about it. Ooh, if you can't love yourself, how you gonna love somebody else? You know? Yeah, I'll take that amen. Last one here. Ease it down. Let's flip on over. Continuing with some fire hydrants. This is a great time to have that band on if you like. What we're gonna do is come up towards the side, kick it back, bring it on in, and right back down. I don't need you to pressure that knee too high, but I do want that toe to try to face towards the wall. That's as much as you're opening up that hip and pushing back, getting into that glute med even more. Ooh, just thinking about the shelf of that booty cheek getting activated. Let's do something.
With it, so.
BBL allegations after this workout, Raneir.
I know that's right. I was talking about how this summer, like 4 people asked me if I started taking steroids.
What?
I was offended, but then I was also like, no, actually, thank you.
That means you look good.
Right?
So they just can't believe it, that it's all natural.
I don't know. What I do know is we're about to hold it back and pulse right here though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, from the glute. From the glute. Make that booty pulse, okay? You're allowed to feel sexy here if you want to.
No.
No one has to be staring at you for you to feel sexy, just know it. Goodness. Leilani, you staring at my booty though?
Oh, hey.
This looking right.
That's
the
on
right
the
angle.
No.
Rest, you can take a little moment off those hands. We're gonna go right back into that pulse. And 3, 2, 1. Take it out and back and pulse it like you know it's good for you. Come on. From the glute, from the glute. And what I love about this is when we switch on over to the other side, you will be feeling this side working as well, because it has to stabilize when the knee is on the ground. I love that. All right, bring it down low and feel free to take your hands to a corner of the mat and your hips to that opposite side.
Yes.
Breathe into it, breathe into it. I just want to give you a moment off those hands before we get into that other side. Again, we can switch sides. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And then pull yourself back forward. And let's get the second side done right here. Fire hydrant, push it back. Bring it in and down. Again, The second side will likely feel a little bit more burn because it was working when it was on the ground, staying stable. With that in mind, I'm not looking for you to throw this leg. I'm looking for you to flex that glute in order to lift the leg. So slow and control is one way to think about it. Another way is really just make that booty squeeze as you raise that knee to the side.
So are you trying to say we have to squeeze and freeze? Oh,
That's it! Oh my God! Shout out to my cardio interval video!
yes.
Squeeze and freeze. And then lock those knees, okay? We're gonna stay holding it back on this one. Let's get our first pulse. Come on.
This band is no joke.
Yeah.
Oops, did I forget to wear my band? Sorry, Leilani.
Oops, I forgot to.
You know.
Mine's invisible.
Listen. I'm
I'm
all about delusion, okay? You need it in this life. True.
Delulu's
Rest.
Delulu, right?
That's the truth. Delusion. If I haven't given you any good advice, take that away from this video.
Okay.
One more set of pulse. Take it out and back and attack.
I love
Let's
it.
go. I'm watching this sweat drip on the floor. I know we're getting this working today.
That's how you know it's real. No Photoshop or AI.
That's how you know I'm the sweat kid.
Hey, tell him.
And I'm not willing to let go of this paddle anytime soon. Rest. Let's have one more little child pose on each side. Got 10 minutes of some glute work.
Yes.
If it felt good and you want to go on and do this again, you know I support you. If not, breathe into that stretch. Breathe in all of that gratitude for the work you just put into these glutes. You can give yourself a little round of applause. This is Poopsie and Leilani and Coach Raneir saying thank you for joining us, and I'll see you next time.